Hello guys, in this video we are going to connect our app to a MongoDB database. So we are going to create a MongoDB database in MongoDB Atlas. So first you can search for MongoDB Atlas in your browser and you can click on the first link you get. I'm going to provide this link in the description as well. Once you go to this page, you can click on try free. Then you can create an Atlas account or you can sign up with your Google account. I'm going to sign up with my Google account. So once you sign in, you will get a page like this. Here you can click to build a database, and here you can select free and select provider as AWS, and as for the region I'm going to keep Virginia as it is, and for the name I'm going to provide MERN Todo. Then you can click on create. So once you create your database, you have to create a user in order to connect to your database. So first you have to provide a username. I'm going to provide CodeWithC. Then as for the password, I'm going to provide just 1234. You can provide any password you like, and then you can click on create user. After creating the user, go to the network access, and here I have added few IP addresses. First I'm going to delete all of them, and if you are creating your MongoDB database for the first time, then you get this screen and you can click on add IP address. Here you have the option to add current IP address and allow access from anywhere. So I'm going to add current IP address because allow access from anywhere is not safe for our system. Once your IP address got active, you can go to the database. Then you can click on connect. Here go to the compass and you can copy the connection string given here. Then close this. Go to your app and in the environment variables file, add a new environment variable as Mongo URI. Paste your copied string, and for this username provide the username you provide for the user created, and here you have to provide your password. Then you need to install Mongoose. Mongoose package is used to connect with the MongoDB. Then go to server.js and we need to require the Mongoose. Then we need to connect to our database. So Mongoose connect. Then provide the environment variable which we use to store our connecting string. Then if you connect to the database correctly, you will run the code inside line 18, and if you catch any error, we are going to print the error in the console. So we need to run our server only if we connect to our database correctly. So we can copy that part and paste it in line 18. So I'll update our log as connected to DB and listening on port. So save the file, and now we are good to run our server. So I will execute npm run dev. So you get connected to DB and listening on port 5000. That means we successfully connect to our MongoDB database. Now we can commit these changes. Connect to MongoDB database. I'll stage the changes and commit. Then I can push those changes to my Git repository. So that's it for this video, guys. Hope you learned something. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.